Hi, good afternoon. My name's Marisol Morales. I'm your contact here at the Phillips Chevrolet of Lansing. Today I am inside this beautiful Chevrolet Trax ACTIV, and I want to go over a couple different safety features that this vehicle can offer you. So what I will do first is start by looking at your main screen. What I want to do is go to your settings page. And then this is what your page will look like when you first enter. You'll make sure you're clicking the category vehicle. And I do want to go down with you under collision and detection systems. So under this system, I did want to show you a couple different things. You can adjust your automatic emergency braking. When you click on that, gives you a brief description. And essentially now you can choose whether or not you want your vehicle to just alert or alert and brake for you. When you go back, I did also want to emphasize your lane change alert. So what your lane change alert is safety feature on the outside of your mirrors. You do have a little car and star symbol. So when you are driving, and let's say you do have an open lane on the right or on the left, if there is a vehicle approaching that blind spot that makes it harder for you to see when you are driving, it'll be shining amber yellow for you accordingly, letting you know it may not be the right time to switch lanes to avoid that side swipe. Now, speaking of side swipe, let's emphasize right here this little icon that has the vehicle driving in line. When you have that option on, and you'll know it's on because it'll be on in amber yellow, this right here will be monitoring that you are driving in line. If it does notice that you do kind of drift to the shoulder, start eating the line in any way, it's not for you to be alarmed, but you will literally be feeling a slight tug coming from underneath that steering wheel, letting you know, hey, go ahead and monitor yourself back to the center to avoid that side swipe. If you do have any more additional questions over these great features that I did emphasize, please do not please do not hesitate to reach out. I'm only a phone call away and ready to help. Thank you again. I hope you have a great day and safe travels.